Hi guys, this is Chloe Kiefer with Evolve Lab, here to bring you another video about Revit generative design. In this video, Bill, Clara, and Ben are going to be going through the like this method.
Yeah, the next one is the like this, which is also close to the randomization, but instead of grabbing values all over the place, it's trying to create solutions or results that are closer to a certain value that you assign. So you can see that the variables now became a slider, and here you can choose the value that you actually want to approximate that value to.
And I comment on this. Basically, if you were to run a cross product, or you were to run a few options with a few runs with the previous ones, but they're very low resolution where you don't have that many options. Maybe you like something that this looks right, but I want more variation in this thing, and this kind of option that was generated. You could just choose those settings and then get something closer within this kind of train of thought, but just vary it from this point of view, vary that input.
I prefer the attractor point to be closer to the left side, not to the right side. So I'm going to put the value to be over here. So that's basically what this is doing. So let's generate the options. Yeah, so now we can see that the options are a mix of the randomness, but it's not creating a lot of different options. They are very similar to each other, but it's still different because a little bit that it changed, the pattern changes a lot, but they still very random. That is more white than green on all of them. And you always have the left side being more white, the right side being more white than the left side.
Yeah, we could also tell by looking at the sliders actually that change there. You can see that the values in the sliders are not from 0 to 1, or they're not the entire gamut that we used to have before.
So this is one of 4 different methods of generative design that's used in Revit. If you'd like to check out our other videos, we go through all 4 of these methods in separate short videos.